Hi everyone, welcome back with another video of Excel tutorial series. In this video, we will see what is goal seek function in Microsoft Excel and how we can implement that function. So here I am on my Microsoft Excel, and the first example is a basic one. So you can see there's a name of a student, John, and he has got some marks in the subject exam. The paper of English is still pending. The 44 marks he got in biology and total of 178. All of these marks are out of 100, so his percentage is actually 36. So now if he wants to know how many marks in English he needs to attain, suppose the target of a total of 200 marks. So we will be using goal seek function to achieve this functionality. So to do so, click on the cell where you want to achieve the goal, go to the data, and in the what if analysis forecast, select goal seek. So here a goal seek menu will pop up. It's saying that set cell. I already clicked that, so it's already been set, and I will change its value to 200, and it's saying by changing which cell. So I will click on this one, and when I press OK, so you see he needs 22 marks in English to get a total of 200, but it won't help him because the percentage is still 40 and the passing percentage suppose is 50, so he won't be passing the exam. So now what if I actually want to modify the percentage? If John wants the passing percentage and he wants to know how many marks in English he should get to achieve the passing percentage, so I will click on the percentage cell, then I will click on goal seek, and I will change the value to 50 because 50 is the passing percentage, and he wants to change this particular cell. So if I press OK, so now you see he needs 71.68 marks, approximately 72 marks in English to attain 50% in his entire exams. So that's the end of first example of goal seek function. If you want to keep the value, you can just click on OK. So in the next example, you can see on the left side, I have like units, 20 units, and the unit price is 420. Like each unit is selling for 420 and the amount is 8,400. Suppose I want to change this amount to 10,000 and I want to know that how many units I have to sell to achieve this 10,000 value, or if I want to keep the units same and I want to increase the unit price, so how much should be the unit price? So let's see. So I will click on the amount, and I will just go back to the goal seek option, and I will be changing the value to 10,000, and I will say by changing the cell, first I will say how many units I have to sell on the same amount to achieve 10,000 amount of sale. So I will click on OK. So it's telling me that approximately I should sell 24 units on the price of 420 per unit to achieve 10,000. So now if I want to see that I have to modify the unit price so that I could achieve 10,000 of sales by selling 20 units. So if I go back to the goal seek and I change this value to 10,000 again, and if I say that by changing the cell of the unit price, so if I click on OK, so it's showing me that I have to sell each unit for 500 to achieve the sale amount of 10,000. So that was another simple example. Moving on to the other example, this one is a bit complex. So there is an item like laptop. So I have to buy this laptop on EMI, easy monthly installment. So the price of laptop is 20,000 and the down payment I am paying is 2,000 and interest is 2% and it's for the period of 12 months, which is a year, and the EMI is 1860. So now if I can't afford the EMI of 1860, I can only pay 1,500. So I want to check that how much down payment should I pay to achieve this 1,500 EMI, or the number of periods I should be financing this laptop for to achieve this 1,500 EMI. To do so, I will just go back to the goal seek function, and here I will select two value of 1,500, and first of all I will be changing the down payment cell. So now you can see if I pay the down payment of approximately 5,484, so I could get this laptop on monthly installment of 1500. Now if we want to change the periods, we can do so by just going back to the goal seek function and by setting the value to 1500 and by changing this period amount. And if I click on OK, now you can see that I can get this laptop on a monthly installment of 1500 if I pay the installments for about 16 months. So if I want to keep it, I will just click on OK. So now the third one is a bit complex example. So suppose if you are running a company and you have total of 10 computers and the electricity charge per computer is 16 and you are paying staff salaries of 27,000 and rent of 12,000 and total monthly expenses come out to be 39,160. Suppose you are providing some services. You are charging 150 per hour and working 10 hours a day and earning 1500 per day. Now, working days per month are 24 and you are earning 36,000 in a month, but your total expenses were 39,160 and your company is going in loss of 3,160. Now, suppose if you want to achieve the profit of amount 5,000 for your company in a month. So let's see how we can change other values to achieve that particular goal. So I will go to the goal seek function and I will set this value to positive 5,000 and I will say suppose I want to reduce the staff salaries to a certain amount to achieve this 5,000 goal of profit. So I will click on the staff salaries and I will press OK. So you can see that the staff values need to be reduced to 18,840 to actually achieve 5,000 of the profit. So now let's try to change some other values to see how we can achieve this profit of 5,000. So now if I want to actually reduce my rent to a certain amount to achieve 5,000 monthly profit, I will click on rent and click on OK. So now you see that our rent must be reduced to 3,840 to achieve the profit of 5,000. So I hope you understood the goal seek function. There are some limitations when you are performing goal seek function, that if I go back to my goal seek function, the limitation is, first of all, you can only provide one value. You can set goal on just one cell and you can only change one cell. It doesn't have the ability to work on multiple cells. So that's the biggest limitation of goal seek function. That's it for this video. I hope you like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.